Hello, I'm Bo from Sweden. Welcome to my channel about the WICS project. Today I'm pleased to present the 2x5 Solid-State Relay PCB. We won't waste any time, so let's start. Using the standard 30-pin ESP32 microcontroller, 6.5 to 36 volt power input, 5 on-off switches, maximum 40 volt 2 amp, voltage input for the power output, max 40 volt 2 amp, or use the onboard 5 volt 2 amp. This is selected by the jumper. 5 powered on-off output. And the board can be controlled by the standard pin functions in nowRail. So what can this PCB be used for? The simple answer is everything you have an on-off switch for, and to turn on or off power to different kind of accessories. I will use it to control Woodland Xenix's just plug HUDs, controlling a lot of street lights, and the LED strip lighting the backdrop. The PCB files is free to download from our GitHub. Link you find in the description. PCB Way charges $5 for 10 PCBs.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to sharing our next video with you. Until next time, take care and happy railroading.